Hello everyone. Whether you are a digital marketer or a small business owner or an entrepreneur, email marketing is a part of your lives. All of us do send emails every day. There are billions of emails sent out and over 4 billion email users registered throughout the world. There are many tools out there, especially the traditional ones like MailChimp, MailerLite, GetResponse, ConvertKit, which are very popular. And in this video series, I'm going to be walking you through Kirim Email, which is an Indonesian company. It is a great email marketing and marketing automation tool, which I've been personally using for the last 4 or 5 months. And I've been sending emails from this email marketing tool. I found it to be very, very good when it comes to the features that it provides, when it comes to the pricing, when it comes to the support. The chat support icon that you see over here is 24 hours available, and the associates are always willing to help you out. It has some great features like cleaning up email lists upon data entry, email validation, magic import support, and we'll be taking a look at all of these in the coming videos. So when you go to the email, kirim.email, since this is an Indonesian company, the landing page is in their local language, so you'll have to click on English and you'll be brought to this English landing page, which is their home page. And if you see over here, they have some great features which traditional email marketing tools, like I said, MailChimp, MailerLite, do not have. Magic Opt-in is one of the tools which many ESPs do not provide. They also have built-in email validation. Again, this is a very, very solid feature, I would say, which many email service providers do not provide. So for example, if you are with MailChimp and when you enter an email or somebody subscribes on your landing page or on a pop-up form, MailChimp in no way can validate if this email is wrong or right, but you will have to check it out via an external tool like Mailify or any other third-party tool. Of course, when you send an email, then if the email receives a bounce, whether it's a soft bounce or hard bounce, automatically the system identifies. But in Kirim email, this is a built-in email validation. So automatically their internal system identifies that this is a wrong email, and it automatically removes that email. They also have something called zombie email removal within their software. So again, it identifies which are the emails that are bots or that are written incorrectly, etc. Another amazing feature that they have is Google Sheets integration, and I'm sure many of you digital marketers must be using Google Sheets. It's a very popular feature wherein you enter the data and automatically all the emails are inputted into your respective sheets in Kirim email. Email Builder is again very solid tool that they have, very beautiful, a lot of free templates and paid ones. Landing Page Builder, another very good tool. Viral Campaign and Viral Contest. Now again, this is a feature which many of you guys will be using third-party tools like Gleam or Woorize, etc. to run viral contests. This is a feature which is also not available in traditional email marketing tools and marketing automation tools. They have this feature, Viral Campaign and Viral Contest, and you also have direct integration with Shutterstock. So they have, let's take a look at all of these. They have over here transactional email, SMTP, so the world's first single pricing transactional email and email marketing. So both of them are combined. You don't have to pay anything extra for transactional email, which is again good. Landing Page Builder, get your custom domain for your website to make it look more professional. Then build your landing page to launch your business. Email Builder, they have a very good some email templates, and they have a drag and drop functionality, just like other email services tools do. Built-in email validation, this is a solid feature that they have, which many email service providers do not have. Zombie email remover, which means lousy emails like spam traps, bots, and email addresses no longer used. Google Sheets integration, which I explained just now. Viral Campaign and Contest, so you can set up giveaways, you can run sweepstake contests and product launches in minutes. Magic Opt-in, so Magic Opt-in makes your subscribers register to your form using a single opt-in, but then their email is verified using a double opt-in. And then Shutterstock images. So they have some great features, and it's really power packed, this Kirim email. So, and then when it comes to integration, then you can integrate with Telegram, with WordPress, Elementor, Thrive Builder, Google Forms, Google Sheets, which is a knockout feature for me, Facebook, and Google Ads. Right. And let's take a look at their roadmap. if I click on roadmap, then you will see that they have clearly identified what the team planning is, the SMTP, multi-language selection, agency. This is something which I'm really looking forward to, because then you can invite your clients and you can have them send emails from within your dashboard, right? Advanced sender setup and white label is also something which I'm really looking forward to. And then you have integrations. This is the roadmap for integration. Many of these have already been done, and updates. Right, now if you take a look at their pricing plan, then they have the basic plan and then they have the credit plan. They don't have a free plan though. So I mean, even if they don't have a free plan, I think it's really worth trying it out for 1 month, because you will just pay $13.61 per month, and you can always cancel your plan if you do not like it. And this is the good thing, is that you can send unlimited emails. So this price starts for about 1,000 contacts, but as your subscribers grow, or if you have more contacts, then obviously this price will change. But you get to send unlimited emails to those 1,000 contacts. There's no limit like 10, 12,000 emails or 20,000 emails. And then you have remove or Kirim email branding. And the next plan, which is for agencies, they have again starts with 35,000 email credits, sub accounts of clients, transactional email, and remove Kirim email branding. Other features, like I said, drag and drop templates, resend to unopened, DKIM and SPF, multiple custom domain, zombie email remover, team management, and all of these are there. Just going back to their pricing plan over here, if you see, the pricing started $13.61 for 1,000 contacts per month. Quarterly it will cost you for 1,000 contacts $37, and annually $136. And then as you keep increasing the number of contacts, then obviously the price will increase. So even if you have, let's say, 10,000 contacts, it will still cost you $54. You have some FAQs over here. Is Kirim for people like me? Yes, anyone who needs to send emails. Can I send as much as I like? Yes, we don't count the number of emails that you send. Like I said, you can send unlimited emails to the number of subscribers in your plan. So what if someone subscribes more than one? This is a very good feature, because the Kirim email automatically removes additional subscriptions of the same email. So if reason somebody subscribes 19 times with the same email, we still count as one contact. So they automatically remove duplicate emails. And then they have some more basic questions, which is good for me or not. Can I send broadcast or not? So they have something called broadcast and automations. So broadcast is kind of a soft selling email technique, along with automations. Automations is more like the traditional automations with the yes and no, branching logic, etc. I'll be making more videos of each of the feature which is over here, so that you get a clear-cut idea. I didn't want to make this email very long explaining each of these feature in the same video, because then the video will be too long and it'll be very overwhelming for you. So I'm going to make some short videos of each of these features, so that you get a clear picture of what each of these features are and how you can use it to effectively, send emails. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.